Mr. Abhilash back. So this is my fourth unboxing video for today. Even this was given by Rahul. This is the bike cover for CBR 150R. Even this is bought from Amazon, which is the brand. The name of this bike cover is Auto Hub Black-Matty Bike Body cover for Honda CBR 150. So I'm going to make an unboxing of this. So wherein he has bought this for good deal, I think it's 225. Let me see what was the price he has paid. So few of the ports like prepaid orders, invoice will not be at the outer part. So we have to pay this, take it out. So guys, before that, I really like to thank you everyone, wherein you guys have helped me in making reaching 37,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. Do give me the continuous support so I can make good videos on YouTube, and let me know what kind of videos do you prefer, so I can work accordingly and make good videos. This. Yeah, it's done. And do support my new channel, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. I have been uploading more and more videos. So here comes the bike cover. And for new subscribers, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon and help me in uploading more videos. Here comes the bike cover, guys, wherein I will not be able to show you this, but I can definitely tell you the quality of this bike cover. So this is not a great quality for 200 which we have paid. It's a very thin kind of a paper, like it feels like a paper, not even umbrella cloth material. I hope you understand. Umbrella cloth material is thin, but still the material is very good. But this is not that great. Maybe you can use it for hardly 2 or 3 months, and this for a rain or like high sun like rays or this thing, this may get spoiled. So it's very thin, guys. There is some kind of a layer over here, that is where it feels little hard, but this is not a good quality one. But because it will cost you around 1,500 rupees for a good bike cover, 250 rupees, even the quality is same, it's not that great. There are two types of material used over here. One is for the upper part. Let me just show you. So it has got a clip at the bottom. You can see over here, this part. But I don't recommend you guys to buy this for a long run. The quality is not that great. But if you just use it for the summer or for like 1 month or 2 months, go for this. The quality is too. Like the amount you pay, the quality you get. So if you're okay with the like normal normal basic one, then you can go for this. If you're looking for the good premium one, I better suggest you to go to a like market and buy this. You get a tarpal one, which will give you a very good life. It's little expensive compared to this one. Which will those covers will cost you around 1,000, 1,500 to 2,000, 3,000 also. But those are really good, and this is just a normal basic one. So I don't prefer this. I don't say that I can't prefer, but I don't prefer this. But if you use it for a one time ago, like a normal thing, you can definitely go for this. So that's it. I will tell you the price for what he has bought. not able to open this. Okay, he bought it for 225 rupees. 225, the basic which you get, and you got the basic one. So that's it, guys. I'm done for today's unboxing. So I have a lot of video which I have to edit, and I don't know which application to use. Usually I used to use KineMaster, but to remove the watermark I have to purchase it. So I think these videos will not see that watermark because I have purchased for 1 month for that. So let me know if there is any better editing software which I can use and make use of it. Thank you so much for watching this, guys, and your love and support is very much needed for me. Do support by subscribing my channel and help me in uploading more videos. Thank you so much for watching this, guys, and catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.